Where you have kept your Python file?
That we did that on that day.
What are you saying? I cannot get you. Just share your screen with me. Where you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
kept Python file, your Python software.
Ma'am? Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes. Your screen is visible to me.
Where is the Python? Which one I will open?
Just go back to users folder.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, just search here.
Search
Yes.
Python.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
I'll open.
Just search it.
Ito.
Hmm. Yes, just search. Just select that one and search.
It is the opening the software.
Just search Python.
Okay, ma'am. कहाँ है ये Python? It is here. Python.
App data. Go to app data. Go to app data.
App data.
Yes. Go to local. Uh, just scroll down. Just scroll up. Just just take and scroll down. Is there any roaming folder?
No, ma'am.
Just go back to app data.
It is here is the roaming folder.
Okay, just click on it. Have you opened your Jupyter notebook? I think you have written there the path.
Jupyter notebook.
Hmm?
We have set the path on.
Okay, one thing you just do, you just open the run app. Okay.
Run.
Yes, run app.
And command prompt.
Yes, yes. Okay, just print Python.
Python.
Yes. Enter. Okay. Yet the location is not coming. Okay. So okay, just go to your computer properties environment variable. I can just go to this PC folder,
PC folder.
this PC.
Hmm.
Okay, now right click and go to properties.
Dish.
Yes. Click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Click on path. Edit. Okay. Okay. App data local programs Python. Okay. Okay, just copy this path and then go to that path. You can jot down the same somewhere. Okay. So next
Okay, ma'am.
you will not forget.
Okay, ma'am.
App data local programs. Okay.
Hmm. Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So you can see that here, just click on Python 3.8. Yes. You can see this is your python.exe. Okay. So if you just remove this path from your environment variable, just remove, go again and just remove, just copy this path. Okay.
This one.
Just copy. Okay. Copied.
Yes, ma'am.
And go to this PC, my computer. Yes. And then go to right click, go to properties. Yes. Environment variable. Yes. Select path. Just come to these two. One is C colon. Users just scroll down. Yes. Then just delete the last two ones.
Edit.
Just come to that part. Just yes. Now delete this. Delete the yes. Now okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Close. Just open your command prompt. Now just close this session because it was your previous. Okay, just open a new session. Okay.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
in
Done.
Python. Yes. Oh, it comes from Anaconda. You have installed Anaconda, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So I cannot show you this thing, na? Okay, just go again, computer variables.
Environment variables.
Yes. Environment variables.
Path.
Yes. Just open. Yes. Okay. You have you just do one thing. Just copy your Anaconda. Okay. To somewhere else, to a notepad right now, and delete those things. Okay.
Everything is Anaconda 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All
Yes, yes,
5
yes.
lines.
Whatever be related to Anaconda, just you just copy them first. Okay, you just copy them first to a notepad and then delete from this. Okay, just minimize.
Yes, ma'am. And I'll delete all these 5 1.
Hmm.
Delete. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now go to command prompt. Close your previous command prompt session
Now it's closed.
if already opened. Okay. Just print Python. You have got now. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now go to that path. Okay. That is your local programs, local app data programs Python, and copy that one.
Users, nothing.
App data, 3D
Update.
application,
Local.
programs.
Mm, Programs.
Just
Python.
Python. Just go to Python 3.8. Just watch one thing. Just look at that python.exe file. Okay. So that is your executable file. Okay. To locate for execution of Python and .py files. Okay. You need to save the path. Okay. That's why I've copied earlier the path C drive to Python 38 in your environment variables path setting. Okay, but if you have not saved, then you have got Python cannot be recognized as an internal command. Okay, but just copy this one, the path.
This path.
Yes, just copy this path.
Hmm.
Have you copied? Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay, then open the command prompt. Okay, just paste, then put a backslash.
Backslash.
Yes, one backslash, single backslash, and print Python.
It is having 2 types. C user Sunana, C user Sunana.
Enter. What happened? Sunaina Singh cannot be recognized. C colon uses Sunaina. Oh, you have done one thing. Okay, you're already in C colon uses Sunaina Singh. Na? Just do one thing. Just do C colon.
Colon.
C colon.
C colon.
Yes.
C colon.
Colon, not semicolon.
ना कोलन किसे भूल गए
Colon sign.
this one.
C colon uses Sunaina. Yes, this one. Just enter.
Enter.
Yes. What happened?
It is printing the same thing.
Okay, you just do one thing. C colon backslash.
C colon backslash.
Enter. Okay. C colon uses Sunaina Singh, and then you are just wait. This is first time I've encountered. That is not good. Wait. Okay, just do one thing. Okay, just you stop sharing screen with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sunaina,
Yes,
Sunaina,
ma'am.
just share your screen with me. Just do CD backslash
CD
backslash.
backslash.
Yes,
Enter.
yes, yes. Now you just you just paste the path
I
which you copied earlier. Just enter.
enter.
Data is not recognized as an internal. Do this. Mm, internal users. Okay, you can do one thing. Okay,
Yes.
just do one thing. Just um go to your computer, co- computer icon. Yes.
Wait, ma'am. Computer icon.
Yes. Go to C drive. Go to your users. uh, just just go to users.
Oh,
Just rename Sunaina Singh. Sunaina underscore Singh.
okay.
There is a space now. I think that is a problem.
पर मैम इसके पहले तो नहीं हुआ था ऐसा.
Just rename.
Oh,
Just
इसमें रिनेम को तो कुछ मैम. It is not having an option to rename.
okay. Just go to Sunaina Singh. I think you have restricted user accessibility.
I don't know, ma'am. I have not done anything.
Just go to this PC.
This PC.
Just right click properties.
Environmental labels.
System protection. Hmm. Okay, you have just come to C drive. Okay, so just come to C drive. The protection to on है. Okay, close it.
How will I close it?
Just close the button. Cross. Just cancel.
Oh, this one.
Yes, yes. Just close this one also. Can you do one thing? Can you copy this thing to any other folder that is E drive or somewhere else? Because I think somehow the username is Sunena underscore Sunena space Singh, and also there is a restriction because you cannot rename the folder, and so just go to D drive or E drive and save the Python folder somewhere else. Just go to users.
app data na
Local.
local programs.
Yes.
This full folder, this folder.
Yes. Just copy this Python folder.
Huh.
Copy.
And paste in D drive.
Okay. Paste. Just go to D drive. Paste in here. Right.
Let me stand.
Create a new folder. Create a new folder. Yeah. Here in D drive. Not inside the Python. Just in D drive. Create a new folder. Name Sunena underscore sing. Sunena underscore sing underscore sing. And keep that Python into this one. Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
So just now copy this path.
Okay. With Python or without Python?
No, just go to Python.
Okay.
Go to Python 3.8.
Hmm.
Yes. Copy it up to that.
Hmm.
Just open your command prompt. Just close this one. Open a new session. Okay. Just
CD backslash.
no, just print D colon.
D colon.
Yes. Enter. Yes. Now just paste that path. Yes.
Ma'am, here it is 2 times D colon.
Okay, just try. Just
Okay.
the backslash
Backslash.
Python. Exact. Enter. Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
Understood.
Hmm.
Actually, it does not matter whether it comes 2 times. Actually, in case of C drive, the folder name is Sunayana spacing. So that way it comes that C colon Sunayana spacing cannot be recognized. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
and I cannot, you cannot rename it because there is some kind of restriction when you have created that user from the, because there is a, there are multiple users, okay, and you are one of them. So you may have some sort of restrictions, or you may have not uh, given permission to every type of operations, right? Readability, writing, and um, changing, renaming, okay, there are many things as such. So right now you have understood that if you write only Python, okay, then you cannot get that python.exe file to get executed, okay. So you have to mention the total path. Suppose you print quit.
Quit.
Yes.
QUIT.
Function, yes.
Enter.
Yes. Then only print Python.
Enter.
Yes, yes. Understood?
Ha.
So if you want to avoid mentioning full path, then you have to set your path. Okay. So just set this path uh, in your environment,
Environment.
and then let me know.
This path.
Yes, yes. Edit. New. New. Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Press.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Go to command prompt. Okay. Now you just print Python. Just close this session and reopen it. Otherwise, you cannot get the changes. No, yeah. Although you are in
C drive.
although you are in C drive, but you have saved the path na that is present in your D drive. Okay. Okay. Understood?
Acha. So it doesn't matter.
Yes, that matters. You want to execute the python.exe executable files na. So you have to set your path. Otherwise, you have to mention the total path here. That is, suppose D drive, Sunaina Singh, Python 38, Python 38, then / Python command, and you have to press enter, and then you can come to this Python shell. Okay. So Python prompt. So now you just use quit function here. Now you just print pip, pip.
PIP.
Yes.
Enter.
Yes. You have got pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay. So so you go to D drive again. Yes. Go to Sunaina Singh. Go to Python. Yes. Go. Then go to scripts. Just look at it. Here is a pip.exe. That is,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is pip executable files, which is required to install all packages. Okay, so you have to, if you want to use the package, then you have to execute this pip file. So you have to copy this path as well. Last day we have we copied this path also. So you copy this path and set this path.
Environment variables.
Edit new. Okay. Just close the command prompt. Open again. Okay.
PIP.
Yes. Just wait. Understood?
Hmm.
Just go through. You can understood. Just scroll up. You can use pip install, pip download, pip uninstall, pip freeze, these commands. And what are the meanings of these commands are given on the right side, on the right hand side. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is how you can do this is how we can use commands along with general options that are given below. You can scroll down and see the general options as well. Okay.
Hmm.
So you don't need to copy the entire path. Otherwise, you have to copy the entire path and then print the pip command and then press enter. Okay. And then you can use pip install numpy. Suppose you want to install a package numpy. Okay. So you have to use pip install numpy. But here it becomes easier. You just use pip install numpy. You don't need to mention the entire path and then using command. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just close. Just open your browser.
Hmm.
Just download Python 2.7. Okay. It is
But
3 point now. Yes, Python 2.7. There are some variations between Python 2.7 and 3.7. I will tell you the difference as well, as I will let you know when we can execute 2.7. When we want to execute 2.7, then what to do, and when we want to execute 3.789, what we have to do. Okay, so just yes, go to this Python 2.7.0 release. Okay. Just download this Windows x86 64 MSI installer.
yes, this one.
Yes, yes.
It's downloaded.
Download it. Just
Hmm.
open.
ये खोल क्यों नहीं रहा?
Have you opened?
Ma'am, it's taking time.
Just install.
Install for all users. Install just for me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just for me.
You can use it just for me. Okay.
Uh,
What is this? Just close. Just go to D drive. Just click on the up.
Up.
Uh, yes. Just search D drive. Yes.
Sunana Singh.
You can create. Okay, just go to E drive. You can create Sunena Singh there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can understand. Just create. Okay.
Now next.
Sunena Singh. You have to create new folder. Yes.
Are?
Sunena underscore Singh.
Ma'am.
Just do one thing.
Hmm.
You just close and go to E drive or here you can right click on your folder.
It's not working.
Okay, so you just go to
I'll close this.
yes. Close. Yes. Finish and go to E drive first. Just go to E drive.
Hmm.
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 Okay. Now just go to downloads. Yes. Now install.
Hmm. अरे यार.
Just for me and click next.
E.
Sunena Singh select.
Huh. Next.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Next. Okay. Okay. Click on next. Wait for a while.
Yes.
Just go to iterative.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So just copy this. Okay, just go to Sunana Singh folder first.
Me too.
Yes. Okay, just go to E drive first. Okay. Just do one thing. You under Sunana Singh, just go to under Sunana Singh. Okay. Just create one folder, Python 27. Okay,
Hmm.
you have created.
Yes, ma'am. Me too.
Okay. So just copy the response to or move the response to this Python 27.
This everything.
Yes. Now just
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm.
So just copy this.
Path.
You can see one thing here. It is python.exe. Okay, again.
Hmm.
So you have to copy this path so that Python 2.7 version executable files get executed. Okay, and here you don't need to go to scripts because the python.exe, and you have seen this here python w.exe. So the structure is something different here, so you don't need to install separately pip. Okay, so that is you don't need to set path for pip. Okay, you have to install pip, like that is pip install package. Okay, but you don't need to set path for pip. So you just do one thing, you copy this path. Okay, just go to PC folder. Okay,
Environment variable.
properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, path, edit, new. Okay. So okay. Okay. Just open your command prompt. Just print Python, enter. You cannot get 2.7 version. You get 3.8. Just print.
Python.
So how can we get 2.7? Just close it.
By
Close,
change
close,
this
close.
tree.
Just go to environment variables again. Go to path. Just move up this path. Just select equal so just move up. Press move up. Yes. Again, move up. Yes. Now click
Then
OK.
move up.
Click OK.
Command prompt.
Yes. Python. Enter. Now you
2.7.
have got now 2.7. So this is how we can change. We can set the priority. Okay. If I want to use 2.7 version, I have to move up. Okay. I have to move the 2.7 version up. And if I want to use 3.8 version, then I have to move up those versions. So in this way, the versions mentioned uh, in the path setting come first. Okay. And then the versions mentioned next or in the last comes next or in the last. Okay. So this is how we can execute. So there's some sort of difference, that is syntactical difference between 2.7 and 3.7 versions. Okay. So okay, just use quit. Acha. Okay, so do one thing. You can print. You can do one thing. You can copy the D drive path. Okay, that is your Python 3.8. Okay, just you can copy that one. Yes. Go to this. Go to Python folder. Yes. Go to Python 3.8. Yes. Copy. Copied. Yes. Then go to command prompt. Just paste. Just put a backslash and print Python and then press enter. Understood? Okay, just use quit function again. Okay, then again print Python. Okay, again you come back to Python 2.7. Again use exit or quit, anything. Then print pip and press enter.
Pip.
Yes. Just scroll up. Little bit down. Yes. Okay. So this is for 2.7, okay, version.
Mm.
So just close this. You can use CLS command, that is command. Okay, so put print Python and enter. Okay, just to do one thing here, just use print.
Print.
Yes, space within quote hello. Yes, within quote just write hello. Press enter.
Enter.
Yes, and what is the difference you have seen here between 2.7 and 3.7 or 8 versions? Print is a function in case of 3.7 or 8, okay, but here you can use print as a command as well as print function. Just do the same, print within parentheses hello.
With that.
Just put a quote, within a quote you have to write hello, okay.
Enter.
Yes, understood. Just quit. Just go to E drive and copy that path.
This path.
Yes,
Now, ma'am.
go to command prompt, paste.
Paste.
Yes, put a backslash, print Python. Yes, no, it is E drive. Now you have to go to D drive. I want to go to 3.7. Okay, just print space hello. Print space within quote hello. Understood? Missing parenthesis. But you have not got the syntax error in case of 2.7 because 2.7 takes both. Okay, understood? Now quit. Then only print Python.
Enter.
Yes. Okay. Write A.
A.
Maximize A
A.
equal to, yes, A equal to
Hmm.
RAW raw underscore input within parenthesis within quote, enter the value of A.
Enter.
Yes. Just put a value, enter. Yes. Just uh, just print A. Just print A. You don't need to print anything. Just print A. Just only mention it. Yes, yes. Just enter.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
So here you have seen use of raw underscore input function is used which ask the user to enter a value. Okay. Okay. Okay, do the same using input function. Suppose b equal to input.
B equal to input.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Within parentheses, enter the value of b. Enter the value. Just print b. You don't need to mention print, only b. Understood?
Raw input and input. Those are different.
In the case of raw underscore input and in case of input, you can using these using both these functions, uh, the user can give or can provide value. Okay,
Okay.
and because these functions ask the user to provide values. So here you have done this. In case of raw underscore input, the input is being taken as string. Okay, but in case of input it is taken for the numeric value as for numeric values it is taken as integer or float. Okay, or if you put c equal to, just write c equal to input within parentheses, enter a string, enter a string, colon.
Hmm. Enter.
Just write hello. Hmm. Enter. You have to put it within quotes na.
Huh. I'll do this again.
Just use the arrow key button, arrow up, arrow down. You can get the previous command.
अब बताओ ना.
Arrow down,
ये था?
arrow up, arrow left, arrow right.
Wait.
Yes.
Enter.
Yes. Just within quote. Hello Python. Hello space Python. Enter. Then print C. Don't write C. Yes. Understood? When you pass string to the input function, it will treat that value as a string. When you pass a number to the input function, then input function will treat that one as a number, integer, float, okay, whatever you are passing in number format, okay, as numeric value. But when you're using raw underscore input, then that will treat the numbers or as well as strings as string. Okay, that's why the one comes within quote. Just look at the value of a. A gets one printed out here, and one comes within single quote. Understood?
हाँ.
So just use
But
quit.
ma'am, see, one comes as. अच्छा हाँ हाँ.
Understood?
हाँ हाँ ma'am.
You can take snapshot of it and save it somewhere else, because when you close the session, you will lose these things. You will lose these things. Sorry.
I've taken this one.
Scroll up. Scroll up. Yes. Everyone do the same thing. What Sunaina is doing. Take a snapshot of the same. Okay. Otherwise, you will lose. Sunaina,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Just scroll down. Just let me know. Have you done up to that part? Have you taken snapshot of the rest ones?
Ma'am. I've taken one.
You have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just use quit function or exit. Okay. So now go copy your that path where you have kept the Python 3.8 version. Copy the path and paste on.
In command prompt.
Put a backslash.
Front slash Python.
Yes. Enter.
Backslash.
Okay. Just do the same. A equal to raw underscore input. It will not work here. Just do the same. Understood? The difference between 2.7. Then go do the same. Just scroll up a little bit. Scroll up a little bit. Just put B equal to input. Enter the value of B.
Enter the value of B.
Yes, 7. Print B that comes within single quote. Understood? Difference.
Single quote.
So here you need to do typecasting. Okay, how can we do? We can use int, float function. Suppose just write b equal to in just you can use arrow up key. Okay. Yes. Just come to the beginning part of input. Yes. Put after equality sign.
Hmm?
After equality sign, hold your cursor. Yes. Print int.
Print
Yes. Only write int. Yes.
int.
And put a parenthesis. Close the parenthesis. Yes. Enter. Again. Yes. Yes. Then print b. Understood? In case of 3.78 version, you have to 3.7 or 3.8 version, you have to use int function to convert the string value. You have to use float function, that is float, to convert them into decimal values. Okay. But in case of 2.7 version, you don't need to do. Okay.
Hmm.
This is the difference between input function usage. Okay.
Hmm.
So just print c equal to input, enter a string. String, not the string,
Okay.
string. String is a set of
Hmm.
characters. Okay.
Uh-huh. Enter.
Yes.
Now, ma'am, I'll give quotations.
Yeah.
I'll give that quote.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you telling?
I'll give quotations and write hello Python.
Yes, you will write hello Python within single quote or double quote, whatever you want to do.
Acha. Hmm.
Press enter and then
Hmm.
write C, enter. Understood? What happened here?
I gave in double quotes and it returned a double quote and a single quote.
Yes. But in the previous case, what happened? Only single quote.
Only previous only with a single quote.
That is when you want to print out C here within single quote, the string gets displayed. Okay. In case of
Hmm.
2.7 version. But here what happened? The whole format, that is you have used the double quote now. So that
Hmm.
will that has come also within single quote. Okay. That is proper formatting. Suppose you just do one thing within hello Python. Okay, again you write the same code, that is C equal to input.
Hmm.
Yes, press enter and then
Now I'll
within single quote put single quote. Yes, hello Python.
hmm.
Enter. And
See,
understood?
ma'am. It now it is having a single quote and a double quote.
Yes, that is the trick, because you are doing what, that is you want to show the format. If it gives single quote again, then it will not bear the meaning properly. Okay, that is what. Suppose in a text file you may mention the string within single quote, so you have to know the format. Okay, so in such cases you have to pass them within double quote and then you can get them in this way. Okay, and if you
Hmm.
want to pass them in single quote, you can get within double quote. Understood?
Hmm. What happens if the we have given we give without the quotations?
It will not work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm. I'll take a snapshot of this thing.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Okay. So here we do one another thing. Okay, just use quit function, then go to Python. Okay. Suppose I'm just using one loop concept. I will discuss these things later, but I want to let you know the use of X range function. Okay, for I, just write a for space I space in space X range X range within parenthesis, because X range is a function. 4, just put 4, 5, whatever you want. No,
With
only 4.
comma.
No, only 4 or 5, only one value.
4.
Just close the parenthesis, put a colon, enter. Just move your cursor to fourth space, fourth position. Just leave off 3 spaces. Okay.
4 position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, ma'am. 4th position.
No. You have not moved your cursor to fourth position.
Ito.
Is the space
I
between
given
R
my
and
4
I.
spaces.
Is the space between R and I think.
Space between R and I.
Yes.
No, ma'am. You told me to give 4 spaces. I given 4 spaces.
Your indentation works, na? Your opening brace and closing brace don't work. Okay.
No, what will I do
One
then? This.
space back,
Hmm.
print,
1 space back.
print, print, within parentheses or without parentheses, just keep a space and then write I. Because it is 2.7 now, you can use print as function or as command. Yes. Just write I, enter. Have you entered?
Enter.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you have to enter for execution. Okay. When you have nothing to do, that is you have nothing to write. Okay, then you want to execute, then you have to enter. Okay, just enter again.
0, 1, 2, 3.
I cannot see the output.
Ito, ma'am.
No, it does not come. Okay, now it is come. It has come. Okay, understood. So X-range is a function, okay, which will print for which prints 4 numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is I is used as incrementing variable. Okay, which increments through the loop. Okay, each time it loops through, it prints the value that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that, but just use the quit function.
Wait. Enter.
Just copy the path where you have kept Python 3.8. That is your D drive, na? Slash
Ito.
backslash Python, and just use arrow up key,
Arrow up.
arrow up, yes, enter, arrow down, yes, enter. Okay. Oh, just do one thing. Again, arrow up, just enter, arrow down. Just put this I within parentheses because it is 3.8. Enter, enter. X range is not defined. Okay. So we cannot use this function here. So these are the three main things which you have to notice each time when you look at a program. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And another thing is that in 3.7 or 3.8 version, we can use as, that is AS, okay, as keyword in the exception, okay, in exception cases. So this is another difference between 2.7 version and 3.78 versions. Okay, so just take a snapshot of the same of what you have done till now, and then let me know.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I'm taking the snapshot.
Okay, so just close this.
I'll close this command prompt.
Yes, yes. Okay, just go to your computer folder, that is this PC. Okay, then you go to properties, just right click, go to advanced system settings, go to environment variables.
Path. Ma'am, now?
Yes, edit. And select the E: Sunaina Singh Python 27
Huh?
and click on move down twice. Again, move down. Yes. Then select OK.
Command prompt.
Yes, yes. Print Python and enter. Understood?
3.88. Huh.
Use exit, exit function. Okay. So if you now want to go to 2.7, you just have to copy
And paste the address.
E drive, yes, E drive path. Okay.
We'll do that.
No, you don't need to do that right now. You have
Okay,
understood
ma'am.
now?
Huh, ma'am.
Yes. So just close this session and open your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so just do one thing. You have copied na anaconda
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
path.
Hmm.
Yes, just
What will I do?
yes, just paste them in the path.
It back. Okay, ma'am. Uh, आ गया.
ana.txt.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
done. I'll open Jupyter.
yes, yes. You just okay. Just press okay and just come out of this.
हाँ मैम I've done that.
Yes, now open your.
Anaconda.
Mm-hmm.
Jupyter. Jupyter notebook.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Jupyter notebook.
Hmm. Ma'am. Hello.
Yes, yes. Open your file.
The one we did the last day.
Yeah. You must save it using a name. Now you must rename it.
Okay, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Just scroll down. Just scroll a little bit up. Okay. Just scroll a little bit up. Again. Just scroll up, up, up. Again. Okay. So you have done these things now. Have you
Hmm.
practiced? Have you understood?
How, ma'am, I have understood these things.
Okay. So okay, just do what I am going to do. Okay. And guys, you all must do whatever I am going to do. Just follow me. Sunana, you just
Yes, ma'am.
stop sharing your screen. Okay. Okay. Just wait. Guys, hey guys, just look at Sunana.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any idea about loop?
Uh, uh, it is used to for iteration of a program. something like that.
Suppose you don't know list, na? Okay,
List.
list is a data type. Okay, list is an you can say list is list is an ordered collection of items or values. Okay, and it may carry duplicates. Okay, so when I'm telling ordered collection, that means every time when I want to print the values of list, it will give 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that it maintains the order the way I have written. It will follow, the output will give the same format. Okay, and at the same time it can hold different values. Okay, different types of values, that is you can mix up number with strings. Okay, you can add 1 comma USA comma 30.0, this kind of collection of items. Okay, so just look at it, that is num underscore 01 is a variable which is a list, because I have used here square brackets. We have to put the list items within square brackets. Okay, so I have put the values which are separated by comma. Okay, so just run it, or you can press Control Enter. Okay. Understood? When I'm pressing Control Enter, it will show the output. But if I press Run, then it will show the output as well as it will open a new line for me. Okay. Otherwise, I have to go to Insert. Okay, and then I have to select Insert cell below or above, anyone. Okay. Okay. I can use for loop. You know, when the number of iterations are known. Okay, then I can use for loop. Okay. I is a variable which is used for incrementing here. In is used as membership operator. I iterates over the items of num underscore 01 list. Okay. So here I want to print I. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the same?
No, ma'am, not done this one.
Just do.
Yes, ma'am, done this.
Okay, I have used break keyword here in the following example, where if I have checked one condition, that is if I equal to 3, okay, then I don't want to iterate the loop again. Okay, I don't want to iterate the items of the list num underscore 01. So here I gets printed out showing 1 and 2 only. Okay, so that is how if I want to come out of the loop, I have to use break within the if condition. Okay, understood? Just look at the following example. Have you done the previous one, Sunaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the previous one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Have you done the ninth line?
No, ninth line.
Just do and tell me. When we want to skip the current iteration, then we have to use continue. So uh, here after using continue for checking condition I equal to 3, I gets printed out only 1 2 4 5 6 respectively, but uh, that is 3 will not get printed out here. Okay, so thus I can skip, we can skip the current iteration for I equal to 3. Okay, I'm doing a little bit change. I put a print function mentioning found before the break keyword, then it will print 1 to found, and then the loop will stop because of use of break. Because when it checks I equal to 3, it will come out of the loop, okay, and it will not iterate further. Okay. Similarly, if I put a print statement found within print, I have mentioned found for continue before the use of continue, then it will print 1 2 found and 4 5 6. It will not print 3. Okay. Have you done up to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Just wait. Do you know the concept of inner loop within an outer loop, Surena?
Nested loops.
Yes, yes. For I equal to 1, I less
Uh,
than to 10, I plus plus for
uh,
j on. You know, I have done the same thing. Suppose I want to search I present, that is I is iterating over the items of nam underscore 01. So then letter is searching A, B, C. So for each letter, the corresponding I gets printed. Okay, then for each letter B, corresponding I gets printed. So this is how I want to print I comma letter out here. So you just look at the output, you can understand better.
it has taken ABC as an individual. It has opted ABC as an individual letters. But ma'am, we have not separated it by comma or anything. So why will
I
it take?
comma letter here. I want to print I comma letter means what? I want to print I and letter at the same time. So one comes with A. Okay, one comes with B. One comes with C. Because at first the inner loop gets executed now for each I. Okay. Just watch. That is your range function. Okay. We cannot use here X range function. Okay. But we can use here range function. I used here, which increments the values of range function. That is, there are 10 attempts iterated by through the loop, incremented every time by 1, and prints the I values out here. That is 0 to 9. Okay. But if I want to do this, I want to change the position. Just watch. I have changed the position. Okay. 1 through 10 gets printed out here. Okay. Upper value is not inclusive, it is exclusive. Lower value is inclusive. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why 1 gets printed out, but 11 does not.
No, ma'am.
Have you done up to that?
No, I have not done this one, arrange one.
Just do.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can do the same using while loop. Okay. Just I'm doing. Understood?
Huh.
But what we will do when we don't know the number of iterations in advance?
So,
I cannot get you. What you are saying?
no, I didn't say anything.
So just let me know. If you don't know the number of iterations in advance, then what you will do?
We will ask for an input value.
No. When you're providing input value, then the number of iterations is known, na?
So, if we don't know the iteration value, then how you will do this?
How? How? I'm asking you now. How? Suppose, just watch. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just look at this code. X equal to 0 while true. Okay.
Hmm.
So I am checking for true condition. Okay. That is, the loop will be true. Okay. And for that, X gets printed out here. and each time x is incremented by 1, that is x plus equal to 1, that means
Hmm.
x equal to x plus 1. Okay, so
Hmm.
it will fall into an infinite loop.
Yes.
So
Then
so you want to stop somewhere. Okay, suppose I am just running the code. Just see what happened. Okay, understood.
it's going on increasing.
How can I stop? I can press Control C. Okay,
It's still increasing.
just wait. Stop. If you use PyCharm, you can press Control C. Okay, here I think you have to interrupt the kernel. Okay,
Hmm.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do one thing. If x equal to 10, break. Okay, understood.
Huh.
Yeah, understood. So when
Huh,
you
ma'am.
don't know the number of iterations, okay, uh, use true keyword that works as checking boolean value. You know, true, false. Okay, and so I can use while loop here and checking the condition for true and print the value of x out here. But if I want to stop the iterations, then I have to introduce or I have to embed an if statement mentioning a condition of equality checking of x, or you can do something x not equal to 5. You can put somewhere if x not equal to something or something. For that you can use break keyword, but here I have here I am checking x equal to 10. Okay, and when x encounters 10, this then x comes out of the loop. Okay, because of break keyword. Okay, so if I want to increase the number of iterations, then I have to change a little bit. I have to change x equal to 20. Okay, in this way, I if I don't know the number of iterations in advance, I can change them. Okay, and get the values of x printed out here. Okay, understood.
Huh, ma'am.
Have you done up to that part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. this example. I've used else with for clause. Else clause with for clause. You know, the use of else comes with if statement. Okay, where we have to check the conditions. Either we can print the statement corresponding to if, or we can check we can print out statement corresponding to else. Okay, based on condition checking, either one of them gets printed out on your console. But what happened to else, which comes with for clause? Here it will print out. Okay, that is whatever print functions or whatever code or executable part mentioned in the else clause will get executed or will get executed and printed out here after the for loop execution. That's why first 1 through 6 get printed out here, and then it is for else block gets printed out here as well. Understood?
Okay. Ma'am.
Done on your Jupyter
Yes, ma'am.
notebook,
Hmm.
Sunaina?
Yes, I'm doing this, 21.
It is not 21, it is 20. It's
20.
20th line.
20 like.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just jot down what I have written in the 21st line. Okay. For I in num underscore 01.
Pass.
I have used pass keyword here, and then I have mentioned else clause along with the print statement within the else clause. Okay. Just just jot down the code and execute.
Yes, I've written the code and executed.
Okay. So pass keyword is used to execute nothing. Uh, if I want to overcome a place where I don't want to execute anything. That is, I want to execute the rest, the following snippet of codes. So then I have to introduce pass keyword, because pass executes nothing. So here for the for loop, I don't want to print out I, or I don't want to compute anything on I. Okay, I just want to print the rest of the code. So I have introduced else part, and else clause contains one print statement. Okay, so it will just print out the same. Okay, that is, it is for else block. Understood?
Hmm.
I'm just copying the above one, that is for I in num01 print I, and else print it is for. I want to use a check condition here. I don't want to print the else clause, then I have to introduce a condition checking. If I equal to 3, break. So it will only print 1, 2. Okay. But if I use continue, it will just skip the iteration for I equal to
part.
hello.
Yes, ma'am.
And I if I check I equal to 6, which is not present, or I equal to 7, it is not present. 7 is not present in my norm underscore 01 list. So then it will not encounter breaks statement, okay, because there is no element 7 present, okay. So it will print all of the item, all the elements that is 1 through 6, and then the else part. Understood?
Hmm.
I can do the same using while, okay. Oh, sorry. Just wait. I'm using while loop now. So I have to do this. Happened. Just look. Okay. Just look at Understood? Have you done, Sunaina?
I'm not done 29th one.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, today we are wrapping the session here. Okay, we're wrapping up our session here, and we'll continue the rest things in the following sessions. Okay. Okay.
Can I off the recording?
Yes, yes.